One TV special report.
Paglipay kamo kanunay diha sa Ginoo, ipakita sa tanan ang malumog na iyan. Ayaw kamo kabalaka bisan unsa, kundi pangayuwa sa Dios ang inyong gikinahanglan ubang sa pagpasalamat sa tanan ninyong pag-ampo. Ug ang kalinaw sa Dios nga dili matugkad sa tawo, manalipod sa inyong mga kasing-kasing ug una-una ang inyong paghandusa kang Kristo Jesus. Puna ang inyong mga hunahuna sa mga butang na maayo ug amen dayon. Sa mga butang na matuod, hambili, matarong, putli, matahog ug halangdon. Ipakita sa buhat ang inyong makapunan ug nadawat ikan kanako pinaagi sa mahulog ug sa buhat. Ug ang Dios nga naghatag kanto sa kalinaw magkuban kaninyo. Ang pulong sa Ginoo. Mag-ampo kita. O Amahan, pinagi sa pagkatao sa imong anak na si Jesus. Imong gibuksan kanamo ang gaghaan sa imong kulianan. Panalangin na sistema na walay daw kami musulod ang ini ayon sa kanunay inibukas alam kaniya po mga langhanglan sa panabang. Kini ang gipahayo pinagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Amen. Amahan namo na sa langit, palayo ng mga umabot ka namo imong tingharian. Matubang ang imong pag-uot dili sa iyo ka na iyong sa langit. Ang kalalon namo sa matatadlaw na kagkanamo from adlaw. O pasayloa kami sa among masala. Hindi nagkapasayo kami sa kasalanan. O pili mo kami itugan sa ulay na kawawa sa kami sa loob. Panghimala ka Maria sa puno ko sa grasya. Ang Ginoong Diyos malaang kanimo. Wala ikaw sa kaingaran. Wala sa mapunga sa siyako na si Jesus. Sa kamalihan ka sa Diyos, kaya po kami mga sisala. Tulog sa oras sa aming kamatayan. Magnahin ang Maria na puno sa grasya. Ang Ginoong Diyos sa lahat kami. Wala ikaw sa kaingaran. Wala sa mapunga sa siyako na si Jesus. Sa kamalihan ka sa Diyos, kaya po kami mga sasay. Pero sa oras sa aming kamatayan. May Maria, sa Ginoong Diyos na naakibo, ipinagkakaw sa pagkakas. Kita sa Ginoo sa grasya sa iyang buhok din karon. Ikan karon kining gas station, pinatikan nga sa madaugong timaan sa cross nga maoy atong giya sa dalan sa katarong ug sa kaming batok sa mga dautan. Atong nasayran nga ang sekreto sa panagiusa sa banay o ang pagkahimutan ni Kristo tagiwala sa tanan natong mga kalihukan kay sa pagkatinuod, aniya man si Kristo uban kanato sa tanang panahon. Panahon sa atong kalipay o budyaka, ingon ba ng atong mga kasaypanan o kaguol. Ang Ginoo dili magpakulang kanato panahon sa iyang sampiton. Mag-antigo sa kitang kanan mubasa sa mensahe sa Ginoo, diha sa atong pagkiklambigit sa atong isikatawo, diha sa atong paggamit o pagsudkong sa mga utang na atong sa atong palibot, o diha sa pagtabang sa lakas, sinagkalaglaing bitabo nga bulana sa kinabuhi. Kini ang ipahayo, pinagi ni Kristo ang Ginoo. O ang panalangin sa Diyos Amahan, Anak o Espiritu Santo, mukun sa dinha kaninyo o magpabiling kaninyo hangtod sa kahangturan. Amen. samahan sa anak ko sa Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Congratulations sa tanan. Okay.
Miss Marlene also press. Nandito sa CPG Convention or Convention Ventures for her welcome address.
Thank you. Good morning sa tuwang tanan. Ako si Carlene Fuentes Cipres, ang eldest daughter, eldest child ni Ruben Obilordi Cipres. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all today to the new Petron Gamos opening event. I must also offer my sincerest gratitude and my deepest admiration to, although wala siya diri karon, to Honorable Governor Henry S. Wominal for his invaluable efforts and sacrifices, not only for the city of Ozamis, but for the entire province. And through his sacrifices, businesses in Ozamis, small, medium, and big, continue to thrive despite of the pandemic. Though wala siya dire, he is one of the main reasons why we and new other business establishments share the same confidence, and that is all thanks to his leadership and political will. As young as I am, at 17, and as much as there is to see, I recognize Ozamis City's tangible results, progress, growth, and direction, which is nowhere aside from greatness. That is why I am truly grateful to God for everything that He has done for the city and for the province. Most especially for the freedom and peace we are experiencing while ilang give up ang ilang freedom, peace, and security para sa ato ang tanan. We thank you for that, God. To the Honorable Mayor of Ozamis City, Mayor Indy Wominal, and although wala siya again karon, si Misamis Occidental 2nd District and the Congressman Ando Wominal, who share the same selfless dream and common distaste against crime and criminality. We thank you for being here. To the Honorable Mayor of Clarín, Mayor Emilio Jojo Roa Jr., to the members of the City Council, and to all distinguished guests, thank you. Such is achieved through the exceptional effort of the whole team. And in behalf of Kaiben John Ventures Corporation, we thank you for being here today, and it is an honor to be present with you all. As you look around, please take a moment to reflect upon the collective power of your initiatives and be proud of what we can accomplish together. Again, thank you and welcome to the new Petron Gano.
Thank you, Ma'am Marlene. Na-stress ba ang tanang kay Ma'am Marlene? Grabe! So, it is such an honor na naatay guest, which is coming from the city government of Misamis Oriental. So, Misamis City, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental tuloy, Misamis Oriental, Misamis Occidental, and of course from Misamis City. Then now, Mayor. So I would like to request and to give him a round of applause. So I call in Mayor Indy Wominal.
Good morning sa tanan.
Good morning. ingon si Pons Kat before ko yung diri nga, basin daw mag-nosebleed na po. Kaya mo kabala ka, maningkamot ko nga, dili mo mag-nosebleed, no? Thank you for that very gratifying and sincere welcome remarks, no, to Ma'am Carlene Fantasy Press, and of course to the Fantasy Press, Osmeña Press family for having us all today. First of all, I want to apologize, no, pasensya na nga si Gov Henry o si Kong Ando wala naka-appeal sa atuwa karon. Si Kong Henry mura na lang ko yung he wanted to be here po yun, but he is scheduled to meet with the regional director sa DOH, si R.D. Lacunia, karong 9:30. Kunya, dito man sila sa Oroqueta mag-meet pagod, and abi niya ang schedule 9 o'clock. Nakalimot siya na sugot raw ta silang Consia Lorling ay just 8:30 para sa iyaha. No? But he could not miss that meeting, and iyaha itong great preparahan because as you all know, ang healthcare nato diri sa probinsya, ang atuang hospital services, mugid ang usa sa iyang mga prioridad. No? And kung makahinumdum mo sa iyang inaugural address, ingon siya target niya sa first 6 months, mahimo gyud nga sa tanan provincial hospital diri sa atuang probinsya, makuha na og libre nga tambal ang mga isang-isnon. Pero sa iyang pagpaningkamot nga everyday mulakaw siya diri sa Usamis, alas 7 sa buntag, muli siya sa Lamaan, mga hapit alas 12 na po. Kaya kung yatagag update na murag in 2 months time daw, mabuhat na niya nga promise, no? So munang yaging tilingkuran ang abuang healthcare program karon. And si Kong Ando, he was also scheduled to be here today. In fact, 2-day time lang ang niyang ihatag sa pagkanto sa Manila para makaanhidiri. Yatuan lang ito niyang legislative training. Pero while naa siya dito sa Manila Manggod, na-put siya special mission as regards sa ito ang peace and order situation diri sa probinsya. So, tuhod kailangan ito niya tutukan, yahalang siyang i-change ang iyang schedule, ang iyang flight plan. Pero you can rest assured na katong iyang pagbago sa iyang schedule that will be fruitful sa ito, not only here in our province, but also sa region, no, as we continue to work to preserve our peace and order and to address all of our peace and order problems, no. So, actually, ako hunta may di makaanhi karon. Okay, muadto pud ako sa Manila. Pero I was able to adjust my schedule and sakto po kayo. Since wala man nakaani si Kong at si Kong, ako na lang ilang ihamyo magrepresenta sa amuang tulog. Kung ay mo kabalaka, kung naanad mo nga mong istorya sila, usa ka oras na katunga, maningkamot na lang po ko nga mo, salo sa ilang na tulog ka oras ko magtulog. Kidding aside, no, don't worry, I'll keep it short, kay kabalo ko, daghan pag wala na kaon. And of course, naana to kini ang council, city council, and also the barangay council and captain of Dango, kabalo ko busy papunta na, si Mayor George Roa is here with us. So, I will not keep everyone here waiting for long, but you know. I want to congratulate again the family for this successful endeavor, no. This is a sign na businesses can really thrive na yun diri sa atuang syudad because lagi nga ato na nang giampingan yun ang atuang peace and order. People have the confidence to invest their money and operate here in the city. Kani maayo kani dili lang para sa syudad, but of course also sa mga regular na lumulupyo diri, no. Kay sa ganiha nakahalubilo na to ang mga empleyado diri sa Petron, and I think there are 10 of them, no. So nakahatag po ni og employment, and when you think about it, ang naka-benefit ani is dili lang naman ang kaning 10 kabuok na empleyado diri sa Petron karon, pero ang ilaha pong mga pamilya. nga naa na sila additional source of livelihood. So there's 10 additional families who stand to benefit from them. So I congratulate you also for your new employment. And this area being located by the boundary of Clarin and Osamis, payo po kayo siya nga pagsulod na to sa syudad, makita nato nga na ay pag-o nga development area. I was informed by Consul Lorly that the family plans to extend this area also by opening other commercial establishments right behind the gasoline station. So again, that will provide for more employment and economic opportunities, not only for Osamis Dons, but also for our neighbors here in the province, which is another of the priorities of the city and the provincial government, of course. So, on behalf of the three of us also, Sir Ruben, Consul Lorly, to the family, Ma'am Lily, Ma'am Sir, thank you for providing this opportunity to our people, and congratulations. You can rest assured that the city government, the provincial government will be your strong partners in your endeavor, and we will continue to support you, and we wish you the best in this business development. Again, congratulations, and thank you to everyone for coming.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you for that a very inspiring one and very informational one. Good news para sa Osamis City. And di na nato patagalon pa. So let's proceed to the next part of the program, which is of course a representative coming from Petron. So I would like to acknowledge also one of the manager, area sales manager of MDG Group. This is Network Development Group, Sir Neil Azumbrado.
Mayor Inding Maunal, to the city officials sa Guniang Bayan, Osamis, led by Vice Mayor Becky Neri, to Mayor Jojo Roa Clarin, to all LGU officials, to the barangay officials of Gango, to Father Raymond, Pasok, napapasok Father, and of course, to our dealer, the Cypress, Osmeña, and Fuentes family. Okay, good morning sa atong tanan. So, putting up this Petron station, is not just a business venture for Petron and the dealer, but this is also a testament of realizing the company's vision and mission to serve the people, not just the people of Osamis, but the people of Clarin and the entire province of Osamis Occidental. So, we are here to serve, to provide clean, efficient, and quality fuels. Okay? So, as you can see, this Petron station is something new. Dili siya common, sa inyong makita ng mga Petron anywhere, this is the latest design of our Petron station. The second of its kind here in Mindanao and the 8th in the Philippines. Okay, so here with us today, here's with us today is our design architect. Now, it came all the way from Manila. Si Architect Tin Diasis, accompanied by our other managers, si Kel Angeles, came also from Manila, but assigned again, so they are here also to grace this occasion. So as you can see, ang atong ibutang nili, puro mga LED lights, sa canopy, perimeter lights, as well sa atong mga signages sa price board. They are all LEDs. Kasi pasabutan na, they are energy efficient. So, maka-save the electricity. At the same time, we installed here our new slit type intercepting canals, to really prevent, avoid mga spills or residues from getting outside the station, so they are contained they don't find their way out of the station towards the drainage. Also, they are contained here. So these are the innovations that we employed, no, for this new station. So it's a modern minimalist design, okay? One of its kind. We are building more of this here in the province of Misamis Occidental and the entire Philippines. Okay, so again, I would like to extend in behalf of the Petron Corporation, we would like to extend our congratulations to the CIPRES, to the Fuentes, and to the Osmeña family. Congratulations for partnering with Petron. And we are here to serve you, and best day sa atong tanan. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Neil. So, aside from Sir Neil, so I would like also to acknowledge the presence of Sir Miguel Angeles, Sir, the Ma'am Christine Asis, then Sir Ronan Tumadla, the Irvin Espiritu, then Sir Ron Cabrillion, Sir Ron, si Sir Ron, and yours truly, si Irvin Butcha, then si Sir Irvin Espiritu. Sila ang may makanan ng lahat. Sila ang reason behind. So sila ang people behind the success for this station. So bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. Thank you, sir, ma'am. So, alright, so after Petron, of course, lagi something to say in return. Yan tong representative, which is our leader. So, si ma'am, hindi ko naman sasawa kanina, nibati na siya na ayaw, tingin ko ha. Ito lang niya. Si ma'am nagita. So, ana na lang. So, sir, ikaw, hindi tulog ni ma'am. Isa, tawa ka, dahil si ito, ano? Sir, short lang. Thank you. Ano lang? Thank you for coming. Salamat. So, sir.
Focus on that. So, in behalf of the Osmeña and CIPRES family, I would like to thank you all for coming. Mayor Jojo Roa, Mayor Indy, members of the City Council, Mami Bebe, and sa tanan, salamat kayo sa pag-atin, salamat kayo sa inyong support. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you guys, sir. Thank you sa ambush. Sorry guys sa ambush. So, I'm sure na ang tanan dutong nagigaya, no? So, to formally close the program, but before that, so na yung iyong leader sa Akuha. So, this opening, this celebration is not just an opening lang sa Petron. So, the whole celebration is siya. So, I would like to request or acknowledge Miss Janessa Cipres Asombrado. So, atong tagalan, atong kantahan si Ma'am o Happy Birthday! So, kanta ka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So, Ma'am, iyak sa tanan and sa Petron, wishing you all the best and success in life. Salamat kayo and all of the team. So, pwede na ta, mag-proceed sa atong for the pamahaw. Thank you sa tanan.
One TV special report.